Here's how to complete the level Little Birdie and defeat the bird boss. We need 60 pots to unlock the level here. And once we do, we can just begin it. This is probably the most difficult boss in the game, in my opinion. So we just want to head over here. We'll get the hook shot power up here. There we are. And then we'll head off onto the boss arena here. So he'll blow the platform up to one side. We gotta stay on the platform while avoiding some of his little birdie friends that will throw at us. And then he'll try and peck us, make him peck this red bullseye here. We can hook shot his eye and then beat his eye up. That's how this boss will work. You just repeat that 3 times. So now we'll try to peck me here. Hook shot his eye. Get up there. Then we'll head over to the next platform. While avoiding some of the attacks he'll throw at us while we're jumping across here. So this one has a casing on it, just make him peck the casing here, and then make him peck the bullseye. So we'll blow the platform off to the side here. I think we'll do it 3 times, or maybe 2 times, either one. Yep, 3 times. And then make him peck the casing. Then the bullseye. Hook shot his eye. There we are. Now let's go do it one more time. This last platform, certain parts of it will be electrifying, if that's the word for that, and we can't touch that or else we'll die. So we gotta be careful not to step in the wrong spots. Here we are. So it'll certain parts will change every time. And the middle bit will always hurt, so just never go on the middle bit. When it's the front part, that's the hardest part. There we are. And he'll peck, make him peck the sides there. And then make him peck the casing. And then the bullseye. And then we can get up onto his head. There we go. We got a trophy for defeating the bird boss. And that's it. We've got the ship part here. The back of him. That's how you defeat the level Little Birdie. You'll get a challenge, Birdie's Revenge. And the ship part will get put onto him. That's 3 of 5. So you've got the top and the middle to get. And there's World 4. But that's how you defeat the bird boss in the level Little Birdie. Thank you for watching.